Now, what are you doing, Louie? Oh, Raven. Wait a second. Hello, baby. Oh, my Raven. Yeah, we gotta eat. No, Louie. Louie. No more, please. Come on. Oh, Louie. No. No more, Louie. Look at that tail of Raven. She's enjoying every moment. Okay. That's it, babies. Oh. At least Reba's waiting it on the couch for her food. Okay, I'm gonna get their food ready. Take care, folks. Love you all. Oh, I have to show you Reba. There's Reba. Reba's a good girl. Yes. Hello, Reba. Well, you heard also, Nemo wants to be seen. Hello, Nemo. Hello, baby. She loves all her, or Nemo rather, is a he. Whoops, let's go back. It's hard to follow this guy. He don't know where to go. He looks like a dinosaur. Yes, should I go left? Should I go right? Should I go left? No, should I go right? Should I go left? Should I go right? What's the matter, Nemo? You're gonna bite me. I know you are. Yes, I love you. Should I go left? Should I go right? All right, that's it. That's Nemo. Bye, everybody. Well, folks, there's our two babies. Okay. There's Raven. And there's our Louie. Louie, hello, Louie. Good morning. No, it's not morning. Right now, let's see. It's almost 1 p.m. And here's our Reba, Princess Reba. Now that's King Louis the Fourth. Stormy's right over there. Stormy died November 22nd, 2013, so he's watching us. Okay. Uh-oh. Watch Louis. He's got to put his imprint on everything. Okay. Well, folks, this is the Florida bad day. It's completely cloudy, hazy, and could be rain today and tomorrow. Oh, hum. It's about 64. I don't know if I can tolerate this. Okay, folks. You northerners, we do have bad weather here. But I think we can tolerate it. They're talking the three-letter word sunshine, or sun rather, on Sunday. Today is Friday the 7th. Tomorrow everybody gets together for Chad's birthday. That is good. Chad became my Lord. He was 35 yesterday. Well, folks, that's it. Till next time, bye. Okay, let me shut this off. That's enough silliness. Uh-oh, wait a minute. There's our Louie doing his thing. Well, I can say they eat good. These two girls, that's a girl. That's Reba McIntyre. She's a lot cuter than the real Reba. She's smelling something. It's either a lizard or something. Lizards go round and round all over the place. And here is Stormy's girlfriend. Stormy was between this one, Raven, a Shar-Pei. Raven's about 48 pounds. Raven, hello baby. Stormy was 60 pounds. There's Reba, she's about 15, and this little short sucker, he's about, oh God, at least 35 pounds. He's a good boy. Louie's a good boy, likes to go for a ride with me when I go to Wawa. That's the gas station Wawa from Pennsylvania. They're in Florida now. Okay, folks. Take care. We love you all. Bye from Florida.